Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Cancer. This is going to be a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you, so only take what resonates and leave the rest. If none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, moon or Venus sign for additional information. So Cancer, let's get into your reading and let's look at what's coming towards how do you feel? How does your person think and feel about you? And we look at this person's the outcome of the relationship and the person's future actions towards the end of the video. So stick around till the end. So Cancer, let's look at your person's overall energy. High Priestess, Pisces energy. What is this High Priestess about? Oh my gosh. So Cancer, this person is either ghosting you right now. You may have noticed that your person is suddenly disappeared, or they have stopped talking to you, communicating. You may have tried to reach out to them, but there's no response or very little response from this person. This, it looks like, and if this is not a case of ghosting, this could be you feeling that this person is hiding something from you. There are secrets which this person has been keeping from you, something you don't know, something about. They're kind of being sneaky here, or you feel that there is something else going on. So yeah, this person is trying to hide something from you. So what is this about? What are they trying to hide? They could also be running away from their feelings, and that's why they kind of disappeared. Justice is here. Are they married, Cancer? The person you're dealing with, are they in a committed relationship and you don't know? It looks like that. It looks like this person is married to you and having some kind of affair outside, or they're dealing with other people, flirting with other people, or you are dealing with somebody who's married and they are flirting with you and you don't know that they are married. Let's look at your side of the story. Let's look at your energy. Your overall energy is the Six of Wands. You want this relationship to work. You have a lot of admirers also. You feel that this person, it could also be that the person you're dealing with is very popular, very famous, very well known. Queen of Pentacles. You're trying to focus on your career. You want things to move on. So if you are married to this person, I feel you're trying to focus on your own career, your self-worth, your dignity. You're trying to be more financially independent. I feel that there were difficult times between the two of you, but you are trying to move forward, okay? But it's also possible that you're turning a blind eye to what this person is doing, because your eyes are closed here. You are focused on your career. Either you're not paying attention, or you feel that there's something wrong but you're not very sure, so you're just kind of ignoring your intuition. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's see this person's energy towards you. They're kind of stuck and stagnant. This person is not taking any action towards you. So if there is a energy of ghosting, I feel that this person is not sure what they should do, or what they should say, or how they should handle the situation. Yeah, they're waiting. Okay, they're waiting for something to happen, waiting for some change. What are they waiting for? They want to end this baggage, this burden. So they're trying to make a decision, I feel, about this relationship. What about you? How do you think about this connection? You feel a lot of love for this person. That's your energy, Cancer. You have a lot of love for this person, but you and this person have also had very difficult relationship. You have been stressed. There is a very, there's been a lot of fighting, maybe a lot of um stressful situations between the two of you. So yeah, you are aware of, this relationship being a bit unhealthy, a bit toxic, but you still want to move forward. You want to move forward with this person. This is again Cancer energy. You do love this person. So let's see, what is this person, what is the biggest blockage in this connection? What is the thing that is blocking the two of you? A renewal. There needs to be a renewal in this connection. I feel somewhere, Cancer, you both, if you've been together for a long time, there is this energy of complacency that's set in this relationship. There's a lack of spark, there's a lack of love here. Not that there is no love, but there needs to be a reconciliation or a reunion of sorts. You both need to go back and think about the good times that you've had, the reason why you fell in love in the first place, the reason why you are together. So I feel there is a need for a renewal because this relationship, it's very imbalanced right now. So what is the, it could also be that somebody is, not prioritizing this relationship as much as they should. Yeah, there is a lot of healing that is needed in this connection. So what is the advice here for you, Cancer? What do you need to do? The universe is asking you to kind of pull back on your energy. Four of Pentacles. Why should Cancer pull back? Nine of Wands. So yeah, the universe is actually asking you to protect your feelings, pull back. Or this could be that if you are too guarded, maybe the universe is asking you to be a bit more open with your feelings and emotions. There is an energy of an ending and a new beginning. So something needs to change here in a big way, Cancer. And I think somewhere you both know this, that there needs to be a complete change in this connection, because from where I see, you both are leading two independent lives. Especially if you're married, you could be living in the same house, but you both are not connected to each other. And if there needs to be, I mean, if you're interested in continuing this connection and want a healthy relationship, the universe is asking you to kind of open up because you're too guarded. Maybe there is this fear inside, but I feel there needs to be a shake up. Okay, what is this Four of Pentacles about, and why is that the advice? Yeah, this relationship is too, I mean, both of you have been too isolated, too reserved. There needs to be, you need to let go so that you're open and vulnerable to each other, where you can talk about your feelings with each other. Page of Swords. Some of you already know that there is some kind of a third party situation in this connection. The universe is asking you to, you're treading very carefully, like intuitively that there's something that's not working out, but yet there is no attempt to work on this. So the universe is asking you to initiate a conversation, also to find out what do you really want. Do you want to continue? Do you want to end this connection? Because there is death and rebirth. So if you want to end this relationship, that can, I mean, I see that happening. But if you want to renew it, I see that happening as well. Okay, provided there is a huge change in this attitude. Yeah, I was just wondering why the Tower has not come out, and now the Tower is out. So there needs to be a big shake up if this needs to work. Or else I see this coming to an end. Okay, yeah, Nine of Swords. You could be very stressed because somewhere you know that that's where you're headed, but you both are avoiding the inevitable for some reason. What is this Tower and the Death card about? Five of Cups. There's an energy of loss, an energy of regret. Let's see what is the outcome. Where is this relationship headed? There is a completion. The world is here. So some of you are closing out the cycle and starting over in a new direction. Some of you are walking away. I think most of you are, trying to end this connection and walk away. You feel too drained, you feel too betrayed. But for the, the little bit of you, I mean, not a little bit, some of you who are interested in, renewing, I feel that is possible also. Okay, if you want to renew this connection. But if you're very sure, if you feel very betrayed, if you feel like there is no going back to this connection and that choice is completely yours, there's no judgment here, I see that is happening also. Okay, but the choice is yours. Either way, you're going towards a lot of happiness and abundance. You're feeling free when you're letting go of this relationship because you've been carrying this baggage for too long now. And like I said, most of you know that this is bound to happen. It was just that you both were delaying this for some reason. Now finally you are accepting that, okay, this is not working out and I need to move on. And even if you do that, I see a lot of happiness and abundance coming towards you. So the signs here is Leo, I see Pisces, I see Cancer, I see Scorpio, I see a lot of water signs. You could be also dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I also see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So it could be any sign, but this is what I have for you. And I hope this resonates. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. And if you wish to book a private reading, I'm available. My details on how to reach out to me for a booking is on the screen. You can reach out to me on my email ID or book directly on my website or chat with me on my website and then book. There is, you have PayPal. If you have PayPal, you can just directly book on the website itself. Do like, share and subscribe, guys, and comment and let me know how this resonates with you. And I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care.